Hey y'all, Susan here. Today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful Christmas card with the Peaceful Boughs Suite by Stampin' Up. I love the rustic feel of this card and I really hope you will too. Alright, let's get started y'all. The first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to attach the Pinecone paper to the card topper with double-sided tape. The card is from the Mistletoe Lodge paper pack. I purchased it at Hobby Lobby. It's full of just the cutest Christmas papers. So now that I'm getting that all attached to the front of the card topper, and now I'm going to attach a piece of 7/8 inch burlap ribbon on the card topper with double-sided tape. The ribbon is from my stash. I believe I originally purchased it at Hobby Lobby, but it's been several years. Now I'm going to use the die cuts from the Peaceful Boughs Suite by Stampin' Up to make the pine cone and the pine branches. I cut the pine branches apart. So here I am now on the cream paper. I stamped the sentiment from Peaceful Boughs stamp set using the Frayed Burlap Distress Oxide ink. And then I'm going to dry it with my heat gun to make sure it does not smear. Next, I'm going to attach the pine branches to the card topper with mini glue dots. I cut those apart. They actually used to have 3 different branches on this one die cut. I cut them apart to space them around a little bit easier. And now I'm going to check the placement of the pine branches to make sure to see if I need to adjust them in any way. And they look good. Next, I'm going to add the pine cones to the card topper and I'm going to adjust them as needed. And then I'm going to attach the brown circle to the card topper with the mini glue dots. And then I'm going to attach the cream circle with the sentiment on it with the mini glue dots and just going to place it right on top of the brown circle. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of the clear Wink of Stella to the pine branches and the pine cones, as well as a little bit on the sentiment to add a little bit of sparkle to the card. And finally, I'm going to attach the card topper to the card base with double-sided tape. And then this card will be done. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. If you make a card with the video as an inspiration, I want to see it. Please share a link to your project in the comments below or tag me on social media at Grace Journaling. I look forward to seeing what y'all are doing. Full description and supplies can be found on my blog at www.gracejournaling.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.